Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking about the U.S. Embassy in the Philippines, primarily because it is the second most popular embassy on the planet next to Ciudad Juarez for people wanting to come into the U.S. So it's important to become familiar with different issues that arise at the embassy in different situations. Now, there's a lot of non-immigrant type visas that people can obtain at the U.S. Embassy in Manila. Some of those would be a business tourist visa, different kinds of work visas, student visa, exchange visitor visas, transit ship crew visa, religious worker visa, domestic employee visa, journalist and media visas, and so forth. So, as you can see, there are quite a lot of non-immigrant visas that can be obtained. Now, if you happen to want to know the various designation, a B1 can be applied for there, and that deals with people coming here temporarily on business, or athletes, amateur professionals competing for prize money. The P visa, athletes, artists, and entertainers. The E3, if you happen to be from Australia and you're coming in on a professional type visa, that would be an E3. The business visitors, again, a B1. If you happen to be working on a cruise ship, you come in on a D. If you're a diplomat, you come in on an A. Now, a B1 also would be domestic employees or nannies coming in with U.S. citizens. So those can work. G1 through G5 and NATO, those are various employees of a designated international organization in NATO. There's various J visas, and that deals with au pairs and children or spouse of J1 holders and professors, teachers, and scholars. It could be an international cultural exchange under Q. Fiancé visas or K1. You could be a person of extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, or business. That would be an O1. You can come in under an H1B from, again, all these can be issued, most of these can be issued at any U.S. consulate or embassy, but I'm telling you specifically ones in Manila here as well. Again, I is the international media representative, L or intercompany transferees. A B2 could be a visitor or someone needing medical treatment. H1C, those are nurses traveling to areas of short healthcare professionals. Physicians can get J1 or H1B. Religious workers can get R. F1 and various Fs are for students. M1 is vocational, so again, students, but at a vocational institution. H2A, seasonal agricultural, and H2B, temporary non-agricultural. H3 is a training program, primarily not for employment. E2, treaty investors. E1, treaty traders. Those are people who have lots of money and want to invest in businesses. C would be just transiting through the United States. T1 are victims of human trafficking and so forth. So as you can see, great number of non-immigrant visas. Of course, you have to make sure you apply for them correctly, but all of those can be done at the U.S. Embassy in Manila. Okay, more in the coming video.